Okay, this video is about view a subscription through GCash. So you just need to click the A plus and then you just need to scroll down. Mag-scroll down lang kayo, guys. Ayan, wait lang natin. Ayan, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. I made several videos but because of screen recording, there's a restriction in some parts. May hindi talaga mapapakita. So in this video, this is really real. So as you can see, my 39 pesos for 1 month subscription and 5 pesos for 3 days subscription. So i-click natin yung 30 days subscription. Ayan. Tadaan! And then scroll down mo lang. And then may lalabas dyan na buy. See, buy now. Okay, click that. And then just wait for a little while. Hindi naman while. A few seconds lang. Kaya lang, I don't know what happened. And then pay. I-pay mo siya. And then that's it. Now the problem starts here. Saan mo makikita? Bumalik ka ulit sa A plus rewards. Yung A plus button. And then scroll down mo lang. Diyan sa home, search and my. I-click mo lang yung my. Wait, ibabalik ko. Wait a moment. Kasi re-return niya sa yan. Home. See? Ibabalik niya yan sa home. So, if you tingnan nyo sa baba, may naka-home, search at my. So, you just need to click the my button. Yan. Oh. Sorry. Okay, yan. My button. Click. And then, makikita nyo na yung nabili mo na view app subscription. Ayan. You just need to click it. And then, dyan lalabas yung code. Kasi dito talaga, maraming nagagalit kasi I can't show I can't show this part. Because may restrictions sa hindi magre-record yung screen recording ko. So, yan. Isa-swipe mo. Tapos, makikita mo na agad yung code. Reference code. So, ika-copy mo yan. Yung maliit na box, i-click mo. Tapos, ka-copy na yan. Tapos, after that, i-click mo redeem now. So, instead na yun yung i-click mo, bumalik ka. Ayan. I-click, i-copy mo ulit. Tapos, punta ka sa view app. Ayan, papunta na tayo. View app. So, punta ka dyan. And then, wait lang natin. Ayan. So, makikita mo may ads na lalabas agad. It means walang, walang, hindi ka subscribe, naka-subscribe. So, i-click mo yung 3 lines sa top corner. Tapos, subscription plans. Tapos, may redeem now. Yan, redeem, view, subscription. Diyan mo ipipaste yung code. Paste the code there. And then, i-click mo na yung I'm not a robot. Tapos, lalabas yan. Select all images. Choo-choo. Yan, sa akin, cars sometimes. Pedestrians or, ayan. Tapos, next mo lang. And then, I have read and agreed. And then, redeem now. Confirm. So, that's how easy it is. Ayan. May view subscription ka na for only 39 pesos. So, in my previous video, hindi ko talaga magpapakita because I was just doing screen recording. So, there's a restriction. Hindi magre-record sa mga critical parts. Especially dun sa copy redeem code. Hindi talaga magre-record ang phone. So, makikita mo may pink yung video. It means you need subscription to watch it fully. Hindi mo yan makikita ng walang subscription. Hindi mo makikita yung whole episode. So, kapag hindi ka nakasubscribe, maybe mga 2 to 3 minutes lang yung makikita. First 2 to 3 minutes of the episode. So, ayan. I hope you like it.